Alright boys, Jake here with Hard Knot Carpentry, coming at you with my very first video ever in my super grungy shop. I just started this company probably about less than a year ago, and here we are. As you can see, I like Milwaukee, and Christmas came early, boys. Today we're going to be doing unboxing of the Packout M18 radio plus charger. In my opinion, as a carpenter, probably one of the most important, if not the most important tool on the job. The radio. Gotta have the tunes, man. Can't work without them. Simple as that. So, let's get to it. Step 1. Milwaukee knife. Super fancy. Buy one, get one free right now. Black Friday. What? I would show you the other side, but it's got my address on it. And I know, as handsome as I am, I'm taken. Sorry, people. But my lovely wife, who isn't home yet. Anyways, 8 o'clock at night. UPS guy, man, this thing's shown for delivery for like 3 days now. But here it is. Lo and behold. I feel like I've been waiting on this thing for like 5 years. Just kidding. At least a couple months. I used to have all DeWalt tools, but Milwaukee's just been making some super big moves in the tool game lately, and it's starting to show. And I need all of these. Upside down, right side up. That's what it looks like. 1 year warranty. Sucker's heavy. I mean, the thing says on the sticker it weighs 29 pounds, but this is pretty beefy. All the DeWalt radios sitting behind the phone I'm recording on. I mean, it's been through hell and back. It's probably about 5 or 6 years old, but still doing its thing. Probably just turned into a shop radio. Overall, packaging, typical Milwaukee, super nice, tons of packaging. Definitely not saving any sea turtles here. And here we are. Oh, wow. Even comes with batteries. Huh? How many things do you know that comes with batteries? Sadly, not an M18 battery, but needless to say, batteries, auxiliary cord, user manual, fancy, save for a later date. Box side. Man, this thing is beefy. This thing probably weighs as much as one of the Packout drill boxes with drills in it and batteries in the charger. This thing is heavy duty. Oh my gosh, but is it freaking beautiful. Look at that. Look at it. Oh man. Don't even need a flash. This thing's blowing on its own. I don't know if I even want to take it to the job site, get it dirty. Power cord, all wrapped up, nice little bundle. As promised, they got the million speakers all around. Looks like we got a tape down antenna, another rear speaker, looks like. I'm guessing this is the charging port. Look at that. Got a spot for your phone, spot for USB, spot to charge a battery. Apparently this will run off of a battery, but will not power anything off of battery, much like DeWalt's. Man, I can't get over how heavy this little sucker is. I mean, she's got some weight to her. in this cute little compartment? Oh, that's the Packout switch. Link it into the other boxes. I'll tell you what, man, that Packout set, if you don't have one, if you're on the fence about it at all, they are amazing. And they just came out with these cute little half retainers. Huh? Look at this. For guys like me, like cabinet guys, where I can literally never have enough storage. I got pockets, one full of nothing but pocket screw sizes, and another one full of touch-up kits and all sorts of stuff. But highly recommend Packout set if you don't have one yet. Not much else I know what to say about this thing. Maybe we can plug it in, boot it up, see what we got. Oh, it's got a pretty decently long cord on it for, it's about as long as the DeWalt's cord, but just means I'm going to have to wheel out some power by the old, Packout set now. Power? This is why I love Milwaukee, man. This thing is built like a brick already. You can definitely tell it's built to last. And look at this. Bottle opener. I mean, got that Friday Cerveza, you know. Go here. Nope. Oh, there we go. Volume. It's got an equalizer on it. Several different modes. They said this one's got the Bluetooth on it. So we got Bluetooth, auxiliary. In case you're Bluetooth, in case you're like me and walking around a house all day, you know. Sorry, I got a bit of a cold. But other than that, it looks to be about it, man. It's definitely what I've been waiting for. Give me about a month or so with it, and I'll get a review on the channel for it, and we'll go from there. Like I said, new to YouTube, new to all of this. So learn as we go. I think next purchase is probably going to be a camera and maybe a microphone, and start sprucing up the shop to get it to look like some of your guys' shops, man. But yeah, right now I might need to get me some green wall or something, so you guys can't see this hideous shop behind me. But it's my shop, so I love it. Anyways, you guys have a good one. If I don't talk to you or see you or anything until then, have a great holiday. And stick with Milwaukee, man. They're making big moves. Looking great. That is all, folks. Have a good one. Jake, Hard Knot Carpentry.